Let's dive into division. Hey math adventurers, if you're loving this math journey, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more awesome videos. Alright, let's start our division adventure. We look at the first digit of 212, which is 2. We're using the digit 2 now. How many times does our divisor 2 fit into the partial 2? It fits 1 time. Let's check 1 times 2 is 2, that matches our partial. Now we subtract 2 minus 2 equals 0. We have no remainder here. Awesome start, you're doing great. We'll bring down the next digit to make a new number. Time for the next step, let's see what we have. We bring down the next digit from 212, which is 1. Our new partial is 1. How many times does 2 fit into 1? It doesn't fit at all, so we write a 0. Let's check 0 times 2 is 0. We're multiplying to see how close we get. Subtract 1 minus 0, which gives us 1. That's our remainder for this step. You're doing so well, keep it up. We're almost there, let's bring down the last digit. Last step, here we go. We bring down the final digit 2 and join it with our remainder 1. Our new partial is 12. How many times does 2 fit into 12? It fits exactly 6 times. Let's check 6 times 2 is 12, perfect match. Subtract 12 minus 12, which equals 0, no remainder left. You nailed it, fantastic work. We've used all the digits and our division is complete. So 212 divided by 2 equals 106 with no remainder. Great job. We just conquered dividing 212 by 2, step by step. Remember, every division problem can be broken down into smaller, manageable parts. Keep practicing and you'll be a division superstar. That's all for today, Math Explorers. Keep that curiosity buzzing and check out more fun math adventures on Let's Stud.